How to replace the license plate light on a Toyota Highlander 2001. Only tools you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. As you see, I'm already at the back here. Depending on which one you need to replace, let's see, I'm doing this one here. You'll have a Phillips head screw, one here and one there. You want to go ahead and break those loose, take the screws off, and you might need a flathead screwdriver. This whole thing it don't give you much of a room to play with, but this cover piece just comes off. Just basically the lens, then you got the actual housing itself that's still holding on. So the only part you're really taking off is just the lens. And all you gotta do is take the old light bulb out, put your new one on, line up the housing, and put your lens back into place. And go ahead and put your two Phillips head screw and tighten them down, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.